Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to see first problem of division 2 of Coursera long challenge. So in this we have given a binary string of length n. Okay, a binary string is made up of 0 and 1 only. Your task is to check if there exists a substring of s which is the binary representation of a prime number. So what you have to do in this question is just you have given a string which is made up of 1 0. So 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. It can be anything, right? So this is your binary string. It can be of any length, which is from 10 to the 1 to 10 to the power 5. Okay, this is the maximum length. So let's say this is our example 1 0 and 1 1. So what you have to do in this, you have to find a substring which can be a prime number. Let's say we have prime number 2. What is the binary representation of 2? 1 0. And next prime number is 3, and the representation is going to be 1 1. Next prime is 5, and it can be written like that. Okay, so in this string you can see here 1 0 is present. 1 0 is a prime, which is 2, and we can also find 1 1 in this, so it is also a prime. And we can also find 1 0 1, right? 1 0 1, and it is the binary representation of 5. So the question is asking if there is a single substring, if there is at least one substring of S which can be a prime number. So in this, the question is asking for 1 and we have found 3. So we will return yes. Okay. So what can you do to find the answer is just look for 2 and 3. Why? Because 2 is made up of 1 and 0 and 3 is made up of 1 and 1. So you have to find if your string contains 1 0 or 1 1, then there will be answer. Otherwise there is no answer. So let's do the both part. Okay, let's create a string, enter the string, and just check first, or let's run a find function in the string, which is s dot find. What we want to find? 1 0. It is a 2 in binary representation. So if this find uh, false. So what I have written here is I have to find 1 0 in this string as a substring. So what this mean, not equal to string and pose, is that I have found 1 0. If this is the case, then simply print yes. Okay. And what can be the other case? If s dot find 1 1. So we are finding 2 and 3. If we can find this also, then we will just return yes without any hesitation. Else there will be no answer. Just print no. Yeah, that's all. And we are doing this for every test case here. Like I'm seeing test case, and for this I am doing for every test case. So let's copy the test cases, paste it here. What was the answer here? No for first, yes for second, and yes for third. Yeah, okay. The answer. Yeah, right. So no for first, and yes for second and third. So that's all. Right. Hope you get the point. Thank you.